Hi, lovely people. How are you? So, if you read from my title, I have two skincare boxes that I'm so excited to show you. But before I begin, do not forget, or if you don't know, I have a 30K Appreciation Day giveaway going on right here. So make sure you check that out if you want to be entered. And let me know how your day is going. Mine is doing fantastic. So don't forget to let me know. All right, so I have two new, well, one is like a mystery box and one is a subscription. So let's begin with the first one. This is the Love Aiki box. I believe that's how you say it. And this is a brand new subscription box. So this was sent to me free for review. Actually, both of them was sent to me free for review. But, you know, I'm very honest with you guys. This is, I forget, I believe it's like, I don't remember exactly. I'll leave it right down here where you can see how much the price is. I'll look it up to make sure. And this is a bi-monthly subscription. This is like all natural, organic, which I love. So when you open it up, oh, something smells really good in here. It says, be your most natural self. Yes. All right, I have a little card here. It says, let's see. I just want to say thank you for helping me promote. Okay, all right, so I put on there, when you sign up, they do ask you, what is your skin type? I did put, I have combination skin. So I do like that because it does go by your own skin type, which I like. So I don't know if there's a card that says how much everything is. So let's just get started. The first thing you get is a pocket socket. So this is from Love. It says Love Aiki on there. So that's really nice. The next thing, I think this is what it is. This smells so good. All right, so these are the crystal powered bath bombs. And then it gives all the ingredients right there if you want to see the ingredients. And then these are the bath bombs. Now, it is kind of like coming out because I had this for a while, and this is my fault. I don't know if it's because of the heat. It's been hot in here the past couple of days, so it could be that. All right, the next thing we got is this Natural Skin Science. What is this? All right, so this is a honey mask, which I love honey. I've said before, I'm diabetic. I've been diagnosed since the age of 18. And honey, so I have a lot of like, because I'm using a new device, you can see a lot clearer. And a lot of times you'll see some cuts. Like right now, I don't know if you can see any, but like here, I had this for almost 3 weeks and it's just now starting to scab up. So if I get a scratch from my cat or my dog, you'll see it, and it'll take me a month before it actually starts to heal. So I tend to get infections a lot. So honey really helps out with that infection. So I love anything to do with honey. So that is really exciting. Let me open it up and I want to see if it smells like honey. And like I said, this is all natural stuff. No, I smell like brown sugar, like cinnamon is what I smell. So that's what it looks like right there. So I am definitely excited to use this. What does it say? It says directions. Use dry finger. I can't read it. Something to apply on your face. I can't read it, so small. So I'm excited for that. The next thing we got, is a little lemongrass deodorant. How cute is that? That is so cute. Let's see. And it smells just like lemongrass. I love, love, love the smell of lemons. All right. The next thing we got is this cleansing oil for combination skin. So this is by NIU Body, Lang and Rose cleansing oil for combination skin. So that is pretty cool. I really like the fact that they do go by your skin type, because that's the thing with when you get skincare, I couldn't think of the name, when you get skincare boxes, when you get subscriptions, I mean, sometimes you get things for dry skin, and if you have oily skin, it's not going to work, and vice versa. So I really like the fact that she does this. All right, the next thing is the Skin Sonic. Oh, these are really good. I am so excited to get that. That is really, really cool. You know, it helps you cleanse your face. All right, so that's exciting. All right, 2 more things. Then we have this NULA lip conditioner right there. So I love getting like any kind of lip balm or anything like that because, as I said, I am diabetic, so my lips always get dry, my skin's always dry. So let's see if I can open it up and see what it is. Just want to see what it looks like. I don't know if I can get this open. All right. I think because the sticker is on here. Oh, let me pick that up. Hold the phone. All right, so I'll play around with this and I'll keep you updated on how that is. And, okay, so the lid came off of this. Last but not least, this is from Eugene Natural Skin Science. What you be? Okay, so this is a face wash right there. So that's pretty cool. All right. So that's everything in the box. So let's recap what we got. So, and you should probably have to shake this, yeah. So we have a face wash, which is cool. We have a cleansing oil, which is nice. We have a sample size of the deodorant, which is cool. We have the honey mask, which that's good. We have this little cleanser. These are pretty expensive, so I'm glad to get that. We have some bath bombs, and then we have this pop socket. So that's good. So what do you guys think of it? Let me know. I'll leave the site and everything down below so you can check it out for yourself. And I believe there's also things on there that you can buy. So if you don't just want the subscription box. If I'm wrong, I'll leave it right here as well. So that's good. So that's the Love Aiki box. All right. The only thing I wish it came with a card which told you like a little bit about each product and, you know, like maybe the price or something like that. All right, so next, this is a mystery box. Now, I have opened, Natalie had sent me from this brand before, so if you're not new to my channel, I'm sure you have seen this before. This is the N&M Bath Essentials Potion and Lotion. Now, the reason why I put both of these boxes together because, again, this is all natural and organic as well. Now, she doesn't have a subscription box, and she just has products on there that you can buy. And she does send me some to sample, and I actually like all of her products. So now, because it's been so popular, and mystery boxes are popular, she's doing like a mystery box too. So I will leave the price down right here as well if you want to check that out. And because I've tried these products, I can definitely say I definitely recommend this. The only thing is, the hard way is a lot of her lotions and stuff, I put too much on and it was like very like Vaseline-y kind of like, I don't know how to say, and it took a while to soak in, but a little bit goes a long way, so when I just put a little bit on, it was a lot better. All right, so let's open this up too. All right, so right here we have a little thing here. It says Bath and Body Mystery Box. And it says all products are all natural and organic. All products have a few ingredients as possible and an all-natural preservative. I started N&M Bath Essentials because I am allergic to pretty much everything that you can buy over the counter because of the preservatives and chemicals in most products. One day, I was tired of going to the dermatologist and having so many rashes and breakouts, so I studied, and through trial and error, I started making my own bath and body products. Now I haven't been to the dermatologist in over the past 2 years and a few breakouts. And it says, when using the lotions and creams, try a very small amount first. A little bit goes a long way. Yes, it does. If you get a aromatherapy bracelet, add a drop of essential oil to the wooden or Puma beads. This box, okay, here it is, $39.99. And you get $80 or more worth of product. So that is pretty cool. And it's true, like right here, I'm starting to get, I don't know if this is eczema or psoriasis. I have been to the dermatologist, and every time I stress or anything, it always goes right there. So if I can find, it seems like it's not, the oil's not, I had this for about 6 months, and the creams are not, the ointments don't seem to work. It'll go away, but not completely away. So hopefully I can find something like that as well. That would be good. So that's what it looks like. So it comes really nice packaged up with a sticker. All right, so when you open it up, that's what it looks like. And remember, this is a mystery box, so if you order this, you might get something totally different. All right, the first thing we got is this Clean Ambition Body Lotion right there. And then right here are the ingredients. So you see it's all natural. All right. Doesn't really have a scent to it, so that's good. I haven't tried any products in these because I am actually reviewing for a whole month the whole brand, every product in the Good Molecules brand. So I don't want to try and mess anything up. All right, the next thing we got is this face and hand cream right there. And she even makes her own labels, which is good. There again, I don't know if you can see, there are the ingredients. All right, and there is the cream. Let me put a little bit on my hand. So this is like thicker cream, which I do like. Ooh, yeah, I like that. Okay. So then we have the soap. This is organic glycerin. Okay, that's the ingredient. So this is a fresh lemon tea soap. Oh my God, it smells so good. And look at that. And there are the ingredients right there. Okay. Then we have a lavender soap. And here are the ingredients right there. And there we go. All right. So here is the little bracelet that she was talking about. And then, you know, you could put some essential oil right on the wood right there. So if you're feeling nauseous or anything, there we go. So that's really nice. All right. So then we have another bath bomb. So this is a lavender bath bomb. That is really pretty. It is really nice. Okay. 2 more things. Then we have this Sweet Enchantment Bath Bomb. We have another bath bomb, so it's like that. All right. And last but not least is this bentonite clay mask. Apply to face, let dry, then wash off. Okay, so there is the clay mask. This is more like, usually when you have clay, it's more for if you have oily skin. And there are the ingredients right there. All right, so that's pretty good. So let's recap what we got in this box. It's $40, so $39.99. So we have the clay mask. We have the face and hand cream. We have the body lotion. We have 2 bath bombs. We have the bracelet. And we have 2 soaps. So that's pretty good. So that's everything in this box. Let me know what you think. Like I said, I have tried her products before and I definitely recommend them. And I'm so excited to try the Love Aiki box, which is a subscription. And what I like about that, it's a bi-monthly subscription. Because sometimes when you get a box every month, you still have things you haven't went through yet. And then here comes another box and then things go to waste. So I'm definitely excited. I love the fact that now we're getting, because I hate the fragrance in any kind of cosmetic or like, any kind of skincare. I don't know why people put fragrance in it because I tend to break out and it doesn't help anyway. So I love the fact that things are more coming organic and natural. And a lot of times things could be quite expensive, right? And so it's nice that you can find something in a subscription box that you can try things out. Also, like I said, I will put their websites down below if you want to check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know all the tea. What do you think of these type of boxes? Are you interested? Are you not? Do you more like just beauty boxes? Let me know all the tea. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to check out the giveaway that I have going on right here. And as always, guys, I leave videos right here if you want to see more of me. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, let me know how your day is going. What do you think of this boxes? And I will see you in my next video. Bye.